Hello lovelies, how are you guys doing today? So in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how you can install a 5x5 wigs. Yeah, so to my girl in the house who has been thinking, oh my god, how will I be able to do this? Just sit back, relax and watch this video to the end. So I started out with the foundation. You guys know I like foundationing, and this is me making a cornrow, and I also pay attention to the size of my cornrow to make sure that the hair sits perfectly well. You wouldn't want a situation whereby one part of the hair is coming up or is swelling while the other part is going in flat. So another thing that people tend to overlook is measuring, the act of measuring. So as you can see here, we have a 5x5 and I had to do the measurement before applying the glue so I know exactly where the wig sits, and we don't want a situation whereby we have extra glues on her forehead. The client actually told me not to bring the wig too forward to her forehead, so we have to place it here a little bit backward, as you can see. After placing the closure, so the next step is to check the closure, like basically the hairline, very well, to make sure that every part of the closure is sitting on our skin very well. And at this point you may have to apply some glue, but make sure you take very little of those glues and you put on those places that are lifting, because you wouldn't want a situation whereby your clients go for a party or something and her hair starts lifting. So that's what I'm actually doing here. I am using a pin and also making sure that I put that glue to make sure that the hair sits very well. So the next thing is I had to ask my client if I should pluck a little bit, because I noticed that the wig wasn't sitting, wasn't looking as natural as I would have loved it to be. So after plucking, then I moved to using my elastic band to lay the hair down. Guys, when doing this for your client, I know it's going to be a little bit challenging, but nevertheless, you still have to tie it and tie it firm so that the hair sits very well. So we are done coiling here. I finished coiling, so I'm just styling in here. Guys, I would like you guys to try this and tell me what you think about this. And make sure to like and make a comment and share this with your friends. Always come here for more videos. Thank you very much for your time. I love you all.